Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a fun and creative paper craft project. This stunning decorative paper, Snowflake. It's easy to make, and it's perfect for adding a festive touch to your home or events. As you can see, this design is intricate and beautifully symmetrical. All it takes to create something like this is a bit of folding, cutting, and some basic materials like paper, scissors, and a bit of glue or a fastener. What makes this project even more amazing is how simple steps can turn a plain sheet of paper into such a work of art. Let me walk you through the process. First, you fold the paper into a fan shape. Once you've done that, you cut out shapes along the edges. The magic happens when you open it up to reveal the design. To add a finishing touch, I've secured the center with a bright red sticker to give it a pop of color. These snowflakes are versatile. You can make them in different sizes and colors to suit any occasion. Hang them on walls, use them as table decorations, or even make a garland out of them. They're a great way to get creative and make something unique. If you'd like a step-by-step tutorial on how to make this, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe or follow to my channel, and so you don't miss any of my upcoming DIY projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.